Hello everyone, and welcome to the live streaming. So here we are back again. Let me give a couple of seconds to check if the stream is working fine. Okay, seems that everything gets up and running. So once again, welcome to everyone. If you guys have any question, as always, please feel free to use the live chat. I can see both chats from YouTube and from TradingView. So if you have any questions, if you're struggling with anything, please feel free to share on the live chat. I will answer anything that bothers you. So this is your chance to ask me anything. Okay, so today, as always, I will share the setups that I've been talking about yesterday. Okay, so on screen you already see the setup that we've been trading. Okay, I took this sell over there and see how this will go lower now. This is the pound Aussie. Pound Aussie should go deeper. Okay, that's my target, and we'll see how it will go. Alright, for now it seems to be nice. It's pushing lower, and I will be holding it, of course. Okay, I will not do any decision. I will not move on break even or anything like that. I will just leave it open and see what happens in the next couple of days. Alright, and USD CAD is something that I'm still in. Okay, so this is what I have entered in the morning. We'll see how this will plays out over there. What I'm anticipating over there on the USD CAD is this movement all the way back to the trend line. Okay, this is the move which I'm anticipating. Similar move like this one should appear over there. So this is what I'm currently trading. Alright, but if the price will go lower and hit me out, that will not change anything. I will be just buying from around the trend line. Okay, that will be the only difference over there. Very easy, right? So pound Aussie we talk about, pound USD same good. Okay, this is the trade that I'm currently having. It spiked a little bit down, it's going up again. This is probably because of the news. I think news are probably close or are happening, let's say like that. But I'm not trading on news, so that may be the reason. Okay, but I'm not changing anything. I'm still relying on the chart because my entry is exactly over there, and we'll see how this will plays out. Okay, if it goes up and still drop, that's okay, that's totally fine, because my trades doesn't go always straight in the profit. Sometimes they can struggle over there for a couple of days, even a week, and then it will drop aggressively. Okay, that doesn't mean anything. Okay, and any fundamentals, and I don't read any fundamentals, so completely relying on pure chart, on just the structure. News against the DXY, yeah, probably I see this spike, so it could be the news created some volatility over there, possible, right? So then here we will see nothing special. So if the DXY is doing something, I don't see anything. I mean, there is some push to the downside, but that didn't change my analysis. I'm still relying on this buy. I will still search for this buy. Alright, so sticking to this buy over there, we'll just put the arrow over there. This is where I will be trading. Pound Aussie is still to the downside. Okay, this is what I will trade. Pound USD, I'm already in the trade, like I have mentioned, and we'll be still holding this trade. Okay, I'm not watching this trade to get out. Okay, it's if I see one candle against me, that doesn't mean that I will escape from the trade. Okay, I will just leave it open and see what happens. I'm still waiting for this move to the downside. Euro GBP, I'm in this buy as well. I took a buy and I will see how this will plays out. Okay, there could go up and down, whatever. Okay, but my move is the downside. Okay, this is the move which I am trading to the upside. I'm not interested if this goes a little bit lower. I'm not interested. My move is still to the upside. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very nice and good example. If this goes down, I will not panic. I will not do anything because my analysis is still for the upside. I'm aiming for this movement, and I'm not afraid of this movement. Okay, that's my point of analysis and trades. I'm not scared about this movement because I know what is coming. I'm trading this move over there. But if this sell will happen, I will not panic, not even change my direction, not even change the setup, and that's it. Okay, so this is it. I'm always relying on these big movements. I really don't care on the small movement. This should not change your analysis. This should not change your analysis, not even mine. Okay, but sometimes it could be difficult. If you're scared of this movement, you will miss this movement. That's the problem. That's the problem that usually people are facing, or the typical traders are facing with. Alright, next, New Zealand cat. This is what I took as well. I don't have a point over there. It's like this, okay? I took it over there with stop. I think it was 70 pip, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so this is the trade that I am currently having. I took it over there yesterday at evening, and we'll be trading all the way back to that trend line. Okay, this is my trade. Look at that one. As you can see, trades are not always go straight into profit. So what happens? Yesterday at evening when I opened it, it went up a little bit profit, it went in a minus, small minus, and then it's going. Okay, so how long it was since yesterday? Almost a half a day before my trade starts going on, and that's completely fine and okay. Okay, and New Zealand Chief is as well what I took over there. My trade was over there today in the morning. There it was, yes. With this candle, my stop loss it's 70 pip as well over there, 75 it was, yes. And this is, I don't know why it's not labeled over there. Sometimes trading people don't save my drawings. Okay, this is the trade. What the price will do, it will probably keep on struggling over there, up and down, up and down. I have no idea. It can struggle there for a day, two. I have no idea. But my point is this. This is what I'm trading all the way back at these stops over there, and this is where I'll be watching to remove my profits. For now, nothing changed. Trade is still open, still running, and we'll see what happens in the next couple of days. Also in New Zealand, I think I will watch this one for the sell. Currently I didn't watch anything or do anything, but we'll watch this one for the sharp break to downside, and we'll watch it to hit the bottom trend line. Okay, so this could be a nice trade all the way down to this trend line, and we will see. Okay, so I will watch it definitely. I will keep my eyes over there. I was buying one and give up to the keeping weight. I don't know. Are you talking about the gold or what we're talking about? 9044. Probably you're talking about the gold, right? We will talk about the gold in next couple of minutes. Let me just finish the one more chart and then we will discuss about the gold. Okay, so let's continue. Yeah, I'll go to the gold, just this one, and then we will be on the gold. So your chief, the same over there. I would love this move to start pushing upside, so this will be my next move, which I will be trading. Currently I'm not in this trade, but will be probably in next couple of hours. I just have to monitor. I'm monitoring this move closely, and then my move will be all the way back to this trend line. Can it go lower? Yes, it can, but I will not trigger the trade as soon as I don't have any good strong green candles. Let's call it that way. Okay, so this as looks like right now, I will not do anything. I will just watch it. Simply stay by the sideline and wait for good reactions. Any strong reactions, then I will consider getting into the trade. Alright, so let's talk about the gold. Where is the gold? Over there. Alright. So yeah, we've been yesterday talking about the gold. Gold still didn't show any sell stop potential, but you can follow it. Okay, so follow it. It doesn't matter how far it will go. This can just do something like this and then it will start dropping. This could happen today or tomorrow, but we don't know that exactly. We can't predict exactly timing when the chart will move. Okay, that's not predictable. The time, it's not a predictable factor in this trading industry, in this business. Okay, so we just have to wait over there and see. As soon as it will start dropping down, you can get into this sell and trading all the way back at this low. Okay, that could be a nice potential trade for those who are trading gold. I personally don't trade gold. Okay, I'm mostly focused on forex only, so that's the reason why I don't choose to trade the gold. Okay, but will not change anything. Structure, strategy, everything is exactly the same. Rules are the same. Risk management is, everything is the same. Okay, so if I would love to trade it, but I just don't like it because my main focus is over there on the forex pairs. That's just my personal opinion. I just decided to focus the most on the forex, and this is the reason why I am not trading the gold. All right, so as we can see, this will probably start building, move to the upside. Nothing strange, nothing weird over there. I do anticipate that this will start going up soon. Okay, can it go a little bit lower? Yes, it can. Okay, so of course I will not again panic if this goes a little bit lower. Structurally it's still the same. This still looks like a nice impulsive, and this is like an expanded flat, and another impulse to the upside should appear, and that's my reason why I'm watching for the buy setup over there only. Okay, sell, it's not there, because sell will be only possible from these spots over there, anywhere from there, wherever you will take it. This is your selling spot, and that's the reason why I'm not selling it from the current standpoint. It's not making sense. Risk to value ratio will be bad, and this is not the selling spot. Okay, we always have to sell high and buy low. That's simple. Okay, as simple as it is. So, and this is the answer. We are selling high over there and we are buying low. Okay, and that's the reason. I think it's gonna be a nice trade. Okay, pound Aussie, it's still over there, didn't do anything. Okay, it still has to go lower. The move, I think it will be the similar like it was this one. First this one, and then it will start aggressively pushing lower back to that trend line. Alright, but in the same time the pound USD will be dropping as well. Okay, so pound USD has to drop as well over there. This is the move which will basically be visible on pound Aussie as well, or the both charts will move on in the same time probably. Okay, so that's the reason. Euro GBP, I choose this one because it looks like a nice potential over there. We have a big move in front of us, so this is my predictable movement. We are close to the previous bottom, and that's the reason why I'm keep on buying over there and watching only for buy setup. As I have mentioned, when we were there yesterday, we were talking about this sell, and this sell happened, or it's done, it's completed, and that was the reason why I decided to start watching for buy stop over there. Okay, this will probably struggle over there. This will probably struggle over there. I really don't see the drop. I really don't see it, because this is the impulse, this is the corrective movement. It can struggle there. I'm not saying it can't. It can struggle, but it will not move with any aggressive movements. It still has to come up at that trend line. Okay, very simple and effective. No complications are there. Okay guys, so if you have any questions during the webinar, use the live chat. We are here to share the information. You can ask any questions, whatever it bothers you. Okay, just feel free to talk about anything. All right. Hello. See that people are joining the stream. Welcome. You're a little bit late, but never mind. We are still there. the chart moves really slow currently. But that's my time frame. This is the reason why I trade on 4 hour, because if I open the trade, I can go for a walk, I can go for a lunch, I can go to sleep, I can do whatever I want, and the chart will not collapse or do something unpredictable or weird. Holy cow, I have dope legend we look alike. This one is good as well. Structurally, this is interesting to me, because this is the impulsive and this is all the corrective movement over there. So this is something like this, and we have to repeat now this movement over there. That's the reason why I'm trading this move over there to the upside. It is the same as it was this previous one. This is just the correction in the middle. So big pump on pound USD, will it fall? I have no idea. It could drop and fall very fast. Who knows? Yeah, I'm already in the sell. But who knows? It should go down. Yeah, that's for sure, because we are at the top of the structure, and this is the move, or at least deeper correction is something that I anticipate over there. Give me some running flat if it wants to go higher, but I don't see this one goes like this. That's for sure. So let's say it's in the one directional movement. Okay, it has a lot of chance that this will go lower, and this is the reason why I don't panic or trade on news, everybody. So these spikes are usually created during the news, and they don't mean anything. They really don't mean anything, and I'm not afraid of it. I still do take trades and open trades during this time. Basically, I don't know when news are happening on the market, because I'm completely ignoring it. I don't even read it, don't watch it. I have no idea when and what happened, based on fundamental reasons or based on news. I really do remember when I was trading, and at the beginning of my career I was trying to trade based on news and find it very difficult, because I was always against the market once I was trying to trade based on news. And after all those years, what I have see, or what I think is happening during the news, is that these news are the fake news, and these guys who are releasing those news are really well paid guys, because they are blinding people to take the other side of the trade and then just reverse the trade. That's very very possible what is happening behind these numbers, or behind the scenario. News like today's CPR are good for scalping on a very short time frame. Yeah, but I don't love it, because that's the reason. That's not predictable, and they are here to pull the traders to take the other side of the trade. So market is just taking the orders from the other side. That's usually what is happening, and this is what I see. Big hedge funders can pay that people will release those kind of news. Once people will see something like candles or spikes like this, whatever, people will start buying. Okay, and then the hedge funders will take the other side of your trades. And even I now. Before I was struggling really a lot, because I was focusing on news and so on. If we go back to the start of the corona crisis, when the corona virus starts, the news were really funny, because based on all the fundamentals, charts should go, I don't know, down, but what happens in the reality, it went up. And that was really funny when I was watching all those fake news and fake releases Oh, I see. There is the 8 minutes. 8 minutes till the 4-hour candle will close. Okay, so for those who already joined, these are my trades that I have personally on my account, and yeah, I will hold all of them. USD CAD it's good scenario. It structurally it is in the buy. Structurally it's in very nice buy, because how I watch the USD CAD is this. This is the impulse. This is the 1, 2, 3. This is the in the middle correction. This is the 1, 2, and 3 now, which goes 1, 2, 3 to the downside as well. And this is all now 1, 2, 3, which will go to the upside. All right, which will go upside 1, 2, 3. Okay, very interested structure, and this is the reason why I'm keep taking buys over there, or why I'm focusing on the buys. I'm not interested for any sell over there as it stands right now, at least not from the point where it is right now. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Let's wait a couple of minutes, so let's see how this will plays out. How old are you? Not kidding. We look almost identical. This is like watching. Maybe we are identical twins. Who knows? I'm 30 years old, by the way. That's probably some bug in the matrix. It's because if you look the same. I think pound USD will start pulling down now, as it looks like, and this will up. Okay, 3 minutes still, candle close, and that's gonna look pretty nice. Very good. Looks like the pound USD is holding this trend line, and it will hold it and bounce from it. I have an 8 years on you. My family is originally from Poland. Yeah, possible. If you don't mind the news, does that mean that you don't search for volatility? No, that does mean I don't search for volatility. That's something I don't agree with, because that's not 100% sure, or that's not proven that the market will move just because of news. That's not proven. Okay, and the volatility will not be only because of news, because if you will see, once all news will be gone, you can see that the market will start moving. Okay, this is what I find out in all those years. When everything will be gone, maybe this volatility will only be visible on lower time frame, but it's gonna be very small. For example, if you go to the, I don't know, a minute chart, that there is the volatility, but this is something where I can't make money. Okay, so this is not something where we should be making money. This volatility is nothing. Based on what I'm trading, I'm focusing on big trends, and big trends are not something like you can see over there. This is just news volatility, and it can go down, and this small time frame, it's not enough for me. I can't make enough money over there for a living. I want more money. So, and that's the reason why I'm focusing on this movement. Okay, this is the move which I will be focusing on. They will not be caused by the news, but who knows? Okay, they can be caused from the news, they can be caused by anything. We will never know the reasons why this move will happen. So it's really not good to start searching for the reasons why this went lower. Okay, that's what I was doing at the beginning of my career. I really wanted to know, and I was searching for the proof why this move happened. Okay, and I couldn't find it, and you will never find it, because there are a bunch of reasons. There are too many reasons, and nothing is for sure, nothing is reliable. You don't know that. So based on that, I decided to not searching for the reasons why something move on the market. I really don't care, because if you go into the very fundamental levels, one single trader or one single bank, okay, one bank on the world can move the forex market to the downside. That's for sure. So bank can move and cause to this to drop, or it can even cause to rise. Okay, so this can go up because bank did something, they liquidate their positions or whatever. Okay, doesn't matter what they did, but why using your time and spending time to figuring out what they will do? Because they will not tell you anyway. They want that you will be against them, so they want to take other side of your trade, so you will never know the reason. Okay, what you can do, you can just trade. And if you have the strategy as I have, I just trading, because I know that my strategy is profitable. It gives me profitability on 100 trades, 130 trades. I'm just clicking without knowing the reason, what is happening in some bank, what someone did on the world, because we can do that. Okay, if we will be able to read the others people mind, then we will be able to know the reasons. But until we don't know and we can't read the other people mind, we are just wasting time to searching for these reasons why this moved down. And that's enough good reason, I think, why I don't rely on any news or any fundamental reasons or whatever, or if someone said this and this, and or even investors. I really don't care. Pure chart, me and my strategy, and that's it, and my rules. I just stick to it, and I just execute my trades based on my rules and my predictions and my analysis and so on. DXY news was bad, so how can be sell pound USD? I think that I have answered the answer with the previous explanation about the news and how they are releasing and so on. And that's for sure that they are really well paid people who are releasing those news. That's for sure. That's for sure. And it would be really funny. Why would those people tell you what will happen, or why they will give you some numbers or predictions or whatever what will happen? These people will not share the money with you. These are really smart people, and they are in the huge business, and I'm not sure that all those smart people want to share their profit with you, or want to share their knowledge or whatever with you. Okay, they want your money, they are against you, and that's the reason. I think this is enough strong reason to not watch the news. Okay, so this will be just struggling up and down, and yeah, nothing. So this is probably everything for today. What I will do, I will just leave those trades open as it was, probably till tomorrow. Okay, so till tomorrow at least they will be just pushing higher. That's all, and this one has to go higher as well. So this is it. I will slowly end the webinar over there. So if you guys have any questions, just use the chat. Kind of market manipulations, yes, they are using those news and numbers to manipulate with you and to blind people. Okay, because if you go into the very fundamentals, why and how market moves, you will see that if you are winning, someone needs to lose. Okay, if someone is losing, someone needs to be winning. That's very logical and basic behind all this business. That's for sure. Once I am getting a lot of money from the market, someone must be losing, and these are probably new traders or people that are not disciplined, that don't know what they are doing, and so on. These are probably their money, but who knows? I don't know which money it is, but what happens behind everything, that this money is directly transferred to my account. This is how it works. Okay, a couple more minutes, then I will end the webinar over there and see you on the next webinar. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications for the channel, so you will be notified when I'm going live next time, so you will not miss it. Please, what about USDN? Let's take a look what is with the USDN. Nothing. I will be watching for the buy stop. Okay, that has to at least correct. Okay, this has to at least correct, and I will be watching for the buy. Okay, so if I will take the buy, I will at least grab the correction. After this will be completed, I will take the sell. That is just the way how I trade, because every strong movement need a correction. Okay, so these strong movement need a correction, and what else? If this is the sell, we need the proof, we need the confirmation, and the bigger correction has to confirm, and then we will be heading more to the downside. Definitely that's not the spot for selling. I do recommend taking some profit for those who are selling it from the top. And yeah, you can watch for the buy. Definitely, if you have the strategy, if you know how to trade it, you can go for the buy. There it will be at least one correction. Okay, so it will be the pullback. Who knows? It could be the pullback. It could be even something like sideways movement over there, something like this, or whatever move. Okay, so it could be just the pullback. Okay, what's the difference? Pullback is this, and relationship to this. Okay, so relationship to this is the pullback, and then chart goes. Or it could be more complex. That means it will be the correction making. It will drop, and then it will give you the 1 to 3 at least. That will be either a flat, running flat, expanded flat, whatever, and then it will continue its way to the downside. This is what market is doing usually. Okay, market it's following the same concept over and over again. if you watch this, it did what? Pullback, went up, pullback, went up. What did 1 to 3? A correction, and then it went up, and then went down 1 to 3 into the deeper correction and went up. There was some pullbacks, and again bigger correction over there, was over there, and then another push to the upside. So the market, it's constantly moving the same way. The principle and the logic is the same behind it. So those who are watching me on YouTube, can you please use the chat and let me know if there is everything working properly, because I'm constantly getting some error message on YouTube that this has some poor stream status, so I would really love to know and see the confirmation if everything works properly. Are there any lag? Is there sound working perfectly? It's screen visible and so on. Would just love to see some confirmation what is going on over there. Okay, so this is bouncing off very nicely, that's good. We have some bouncing. This will struggle there probably. Oh, this is going nice. Then probably New Zealand Chief will start heading very fast. This one is heading to the upside, euro dollar. This is probably all, and we are just heading upside. This will be completed anytime soon. That could go very fast, and it will be completed soon. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, if you watch these stream recordings, just feel free to leave a comment under the video, and I will either answer your question or answer a comment, or I will comment in the next upcoming live streaming. So feel free to just leave a comment. All right, so I will end the webinar over there. Take care everyone for being there. Enjoy your day and see you in the next live streaming. Take care and bye bye.